Here another example we have to use this time offset stagger. So here we have a character like a Superman moving the hair. So I'm going to create some wave kind of movement for this character. Just simply say I'm just selecting the body controllers from the chest to hip. I'm just going to add in one anim layer. So now I'm going to add 3 poses for this. Just simply using the 20 frames for this. Just simply moving up and add a small rotation for the chest, and maybe we can add a head also inside. We'll add this leg controls also inside the anim layer. So we'll create a pose for this legs also. Maybe we can add some rotation for the hip. So now we have 3 poses. One is up and one is down. So make sure that it is in a looping action. So I'm just simply converting it to the looping. So now we have okay, this one also I'm converting it to loop. So for the head also we have to convert it to loop. Just make sure that all the controls are in looping action. So now we have 3 poses here. So here I'm just going to lead with the chest. That's why I'm just selecting the first controller as this chest, then the middle controller, and after that this one the hip controller. So I'm just simply selecting the controls and just using this time stagger. So now if you see the movement, and I'm going to add a same thing for the legs also. Same thing for the right legs also. Same thing we'll add for the left hand also. So I'm just going to add these controllers inside the anim layer. So I'm just going to add one pose down. So simply we have to convert into loop, then we can use this tool for the offset. Now we have a small offset to each controller. Maybe if this hand is leading, so in that case we can add a movement for this also. Make it loop, and after that for this hand we can give a manual offset, because this hand is leading the character. With the simple 3 keys we have created a nice waving animation. And again, if it is more, so maybe we can play with the anim layer. Now we can see the final output. We have a small delay for the hands, from the upper hand to the palm area, and from the chest to body. For the legs also we have delay. With the simple 3 keys we have nice animation.